This is the January OK Beauty box. This is the wellness edit. It is worth over £95. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is the OK Beauty box. This is the January's box. This edit is called the wellness edit, and it is apparently worth over £95. So let's get on in here to see what we've got to play with. I will leave a link down below in the information box for you. I was on their website and I found a code, and you get your box half price, which is £7.50. If I find anything else, I'll put it again all down below for you. Try the codes out. I don't know if they're still in date or not. Check them out for yourself. But normally this is £15 per month. Yeah, so we open it up and this is what we're met with. There's a little note here, and it just says you'll get a minimum of 5 products in here that will be worth at least £80. Always get this. It's just like a voucher thing for the OK magazine. We get the edit card, which has information on all the products, and there is a sneaky peek for you. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. First product we have is this. So this is by the brand Doctor's Formula, and it's from their Power Actives collection that they've got, and this is the turmeric lotion. It has an RRP of £34.90, and it just says turmeric is rich in antioxidants, and here is the super root that is being combined with aloe vera, sunflower seed oil, coconut extract into a soothing serum that's like a health kick for your skin. Apply to cleanse skin every morning and evening, follow with a moisturiser. It helps protect your skin against environmental aggressors, contains AHAs to gently brighten, strengthen and soothe stressed skin. So I've received this recently, I can't remember in what box, and well, this is still in here, I haven't even opened it, and I just happened to have this because I used it this morning and I've left it on my beauty desk, and here it is what it looks like out of the box. Let's just pop that there for a minute. I really like this. I've used it a fair few times now. You can see it's about up to here. It's quite thick. Can you see that? It's really thick. It feels lush on the skin. I really like it. But that's how thick. Can you see that? I think it's gorgeous on the skin, absolutely gorgeous, and my makeup sits lovely on it. Skin feels lovely and hydrated afterwards. I don't know why I'm showing you, you really can't see anything. You can see a slight glow on the skin there, but yeah, really enjoy it and love the brand. One of my favourite skincare brands. So yeah, super happy to get another one of those because it's going to be my backup to this one. Second item we have is this. This is by the brand Paul Yakumine. Oh, I am probably saying that wrong. I like to butcher names on this channel. And this is a Hydrosol Micro Mist Hair Hydrator. Wow, this has an RRP of £22. It just says, keep on looking after your hair once you're out of the shower with this new super light leave-in spray made with hydrating oils and botanical extracts. It cocoons your strands into a conditioning veil of goodness. Spritz over damp hair before blow drying, focusing on the lengths and the ends. Moisturising oils hydrate, soften and smooth dry brittle hair. Has anti-inflammatory benefits to soothe stressed out scalps. And its fragrance scent of floral waters and essential oils. Let's have a little, in fact let's just spray some on. Oh, it smells lush. Oh yeah, that smells really nice. Obviously it says to put it on damp hair here. My hair's due a washing anyway, so whatever. Oh guys, that's lovely, and that's literally that's just on my dry hair. I can only imagine what it will be like if I put it on my damp hair and then style my hair. that smell is gorgeous, just like a hair perfume, but that surrounds your hair with goodness. Awesome. Third product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Westlab, and this is Epsom bath salts. This is, oh, it's travel size, quite big size. It has an RRP of £2.69, so super affordable. It just says a cult classic and a favourite with celebs such as Emilia Clarke, Madonna, Molly May. These 100% natural salts are excellent at relieving achy muscles and relaxing the body. That actually sounds awesome because I've recently just started at the gym, and I have muscles and places in my body I never knew that I had. Places that I never knew existed on my body. So yeah, this is definitely going to come in very useful. The fourth product we have in the box is this. This is by the brand Otto. Is that how you say it? Otto? Otto? I've got no idea. It's a nourishing CBD hand balm. It's travel size, and this is worth £19. It just says, our hands go through a lot this winter, which is why a good hand cream should be a cold weather essential. This one contains high quality CBD, which has skin calming properties. I literally have received one of these this month in the Rocker Box. I wasn't too excited about it in Rocker Box, if I'm honest, and I'm not really too excited about it in this box. I can appreciate that this is a decent one. Obviously it's got CBD in. I do love products with CBD in, but wow, to get it twice in 1 month in 2 different boxes. But yes, it'll go in my collection. I'm sure it'll get used at some point. I'm sounding like I'm really not grateful to have it. I really am. Up until this month I've never heard of this brand. Now I have 2 of the same product by it. I will have to definitely give it a try. And just to say, guys, when you get a hand cream, it doesn't necessarily have to just be for your hands. Sometimes what I do, I also pop it on my feet as well. Why not? Fifth and final product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Christoph Robin, and it's a regenerating mask with prickly pear oil. This is travel size and it's worth £13. It just says, care for your hair this season too with a luxurious mask from salon brand Christoph Robin. Prickly pear oil is essentially hydrating, while ceramides work to smooth frizz. Yeah, I love hair masks. I absolutely love them, and I can't wait to try this. That is very strong, beautiful scent. And that is thick. Look, you can see it's not losing its shape there. Ooh. That smells lush. That smells so nice. Yes. Get in my hair right now. Yeah, super happy to get that. Really good brand as well. This is the January OK Beauty box, the Wellness Edit, worth over £95. What do you think? Personally, I like this box. I really do like it. So yes, Epsom bath salts, which is only a couple of quid, really affordable. But I do love my bath salts. The Doctor's Formula turmeric lotion, as I say, I've used it a few times. It's amazing. I love it, absolutely love it. Glad to get another one. The hair hydration Mr. Moisturizer stuff, yeah, cool. I thought that smells really nice, so it'll be very interesting to pop it in when my hair's been towel dried and then styling it to see how it reacts with my hair. Along with the whole hair theme, we have the hair mask as well. Love trying out hair masks, so yeah, super excited about that. Yeah, the hand balm, it is a nice one to get. I didn't mean to be so down before about it. It's just literally because I've received one already this month. But yeah, I do love CBD products, so yes. And as I say, it doesn't have to just be on your hands. I like to apply it on my feet too, mainly because I'm lazy, and if I'm already putting hand cream on my hands and I'm too lazy to get up to get my foot cream, I just think, just wet my hand cream on my feet. Am I the only one that does that? Please tell me I'm not. But yes, I think it's for £15 a month. I think it's good value for money. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.